job.
Okay, now hold that. So I cut the top off the cake mix, and we'll put the cake mix in. Oh boy, is that going to
Don't turn it on, Harrison.
Right? Then,
Yeah, I see it blow that up. Oh, the politicians. Wow. Is he waiting for you to take a picture or what?
I guess.
okay, now turn it on a little bit. Push it here. There. Okay. Now, yeah, mix in all the cake mix. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, it smells good. You smell it? I'll use a spatula to get it around the sides. Because we got to get all this butter in there to make it good. All right. Good job. Oh, it smells delicious, doesn't it?
Chris,
I got it.
dusted
I
off
got it. Okay, I think that's enough.
No, it's got to be more because we got to get all that butter in there to make it good.
I can already smell
A
it.
little bit more. Let's turn it up a little bit. Yeah, that's good. That's good. That'll do it. That'll do it.
I will do it even fast.
Oh boy.
Okay, I think it's done.
Get it over here on that side. Over here on that side. Yeah. We don't want any lumps in it.
Don't do it even fast.
Okay, I think that's maybe enough. All right. Okay.
How's it look?
Oh, look at
Oh yeah, taste it. There you go. Let's see.
Ooh. Is it good? Is it all mixed up good? Okay, you sure? You sure?
Your face